We're talking tonight about buying a piece of property with one of your parents. Joining us as always, attorneys Corey Suda, who is here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli. Good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
Thanks
You look like
$1
million today,
Thanks,
Dave.
you guys as well. And another fascinating question tonight, because what happens if you decide you want to team up with Dad? Kevin and Dalton is wondering, my dad and I want to buy a piece of property together. Do I need to have my wife agree to this as well? So should Kevin
That's a really good question.
bring his wife in on
Yeah,
this?
you know, it's a really good question. You should, because obviously this is going to, your portion of that property is going to become a marital asset. So to avoid, any trouble down the road, if you and your wife would happen to get divorced, I would have her sign off on it. Make sure she knows about it. Make sure she signs off about it. And you might even be able to get her to, get your wife or whether it's husband or wife or whatever, to, exclaim any rights to it. So talk to them about it, because you're owning it with your father, family member. But you definitely should. I think that, what do you think? I think there could be some potential issues there.
Yeah, I think regardless of the law, I think you want your spouse to agree on it, so you don't have any problems at home. But obviously, when you own property, your spouse has a right to some of that property. So, to make sure there's no issues down the road, I would certainly, get their approval before going forward and buying the property.
Either down the road or immediately at dinner.
Good advice. All right, if you need legal advice and you want to talk to the attorneys here on The Law and You can reach them by calling their office or checking them out online. And as always, results matter with attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks so much, guys.
Thanks.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.